again, if I were doing this problem, I would be looking for something simple to try. So I'm going to say a and a is something simple to try because a times a is a squared. Now I want to point out if you're looking at 75 and you thought about it, I mean, again, it looks like, some kind of multiplication. I'm going to say right from the get-go, I'd say, whoops, I made a mistake there. It's not 5 times 10. That would be 50. I could say 5 times 15. Does that give you 75? Yeah. What's remarkable about this, though, it has some relationship to the number 10 in the middle. So I'm going to write this down over here as 5 and a 15. No, it doesn't matter where you put them. What matters is you're willing to check it. So I'm going to say minus 15 plus 5. It looks like it's going to work out. And to check it, what do you get? You get a squared plus 5a minus 15a. And minus 15 times 5 is minus 75. Now again, what I mean by checking it, does it give you back a squared? Of course it does. Does it give you back minus 10a? Of course it does. Does it give you minus 75? So this would be the answer over here. Now I want to go through what Wells is talking about. What Wells is talking about is really a modified AC rule. And what he looks for, he says, oh, the number minus 75 is a product of two numbers such that those two numbers, whatever they are, by the way, adds up to minus 10. And we just did it. I mean, you might say, oh, this is trial and error too. It really is. And what are those two numbers? 5 and minus 15. And then what a lot of people do is they split that middle term, I'll write this down for you, into two terms. Right, so they have a grouping. Now, it really doesn't matter if you put down 5a minus 15a minus 75, or you put this down, and I'll show you that. It doesn't matter which one you put down. Whoops, that's not correct. So if we did this one over here, I'd factor an a out. What do you get? A plus 5. Over there, I'd factor out minus 15. What do you get? A plus 5. What does this factor to? Well, the a plus 5 factors out, and you left off with a minus 15. Now, if you did this other one over here, what factors out an a, and you get a minus 15. What factors out from that is a 5, and you get a minus 15. Well, if you factor that, what do you get? A minus 15 times a plus 5. We're getting the same answer every single time. So we're getting this, and again, if you use trial and error, you're still getting what we say you're going to get, which is a minus 15, a plus 5. The order that you put down those factors has no effect on the problem. This is called a unique factorization. Thank you.